I'm going to repeat that now. Great big deal.
Oh, okay.
Log base 2 of A equals B means exactly the same thing. I say if and only if, that means it means exactly the same thing as 2 to the B equals A.
So,
Okay.
this is right.
Also, 2 to the C equals D means exactly the same thing as C is log base 2 of D. Okay?
It's inverse.
Now you can translate that in terms of the graph, and I probably will at some point. Right now, just believe me. And make sure that you make careful note of this so that you can use it, because you're going to need it to do some of the homework I'm going to assign. Okay?
We're gonna need those specific too. I mean, it's
Sorry?
the same. I said we're gonna need those specific too. I mean, it's the same thing. It's basically like you said.
Yeah, you could use X's and Y's in there or whatever, but you want to have these rules to keep your head straight on. Okay? Because I'm going to now solve an equation. Don't ask why you would want to solve this equation. Okay? Believe me, there are many, many reasons, and you'll see them. Okay? So you could ask me that. I mean, I'd certainly respect the question. Okay? But right now, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to see how to solve this thing. And a couple of other little things about logs and exponential functions. And I'm going to start slowly working through the chapter on logarithmic and exponential functions. While at the same time, maybe on alternate days, we'll see how it works out. We're working through the rest of chapter 3.
I have a question.
Because if we try to do it all day after day after day, it gets on top of you. Okay? So we want to kind of spread 2 different topics out to where you have time to digest them. So we might well work on alternate days. One day we work on the chapter 3 stuff, one day we work on the chapter 4 stuff, giving you a full week to digest each part of the topic. Doesn't mean we can't also talk about, the alternative topics on the wrong day or something. Okay? Lena, I'm sorry.
What exactly does a log do?
The what?
What exactly does a log do?
What does a log do?
Yeah.
Well, you could use it to span a creek. You cut boards out of it.